Several exit polls on Wednesday projected a victory for the BJP over the ruling Aam Aadmi Party in the Delhi Assembly elections, while the Congress was expected to make no significant gains. However, two surveys indicated an Aam Aadmi Party win, highlighting the uncertainty surrounding the final outcome. The Election Commission will announce the official results on February 8. According to Chankya Strategies, the BJP and its allies could secure 39 to 44 seats. Aam Aadmi Party may win 25 to 28, while Congress could manage 2 to 3 seats. Meanwhile, Preside predicted an Aam Aadmi Party victory with 46 to 52 seats, 18 to 23 for BJP and 0 to 1 for Congress. Brink Media survey also leaned towards an Aam Aadmi Party win, giving it 44 to 49 seats. BJP 21 to 25 and Congress 0 to 1. DV Research, however, forecasted a tight contest with Aam Aadmi Party expected to win 26 to 34 seats and BJP leading with 36 to 44. Reacting to the predictions, Aam Aadmi Party dismissed the exit polls, arguing that pollsters have historically underestimated its performance. BJP, on the other hand, claimed the results reflected the public's desire for change. Amid the polling process, Delhi recorded a voter turnout of 57.89%, but allegations of electoral malpractices marked the proceedings. Reports surfaced of Muslim voters being denied entry at polling stations, with ID checks specifically targeting burqa-clad women. High drama unfolded in Salar, where BJP candidate Anil Gaur accused certain individuals of fraudulent voting. The police subsequently verified voter IDs but later confirmed that no fake voting had occurred. A similar controversy arose in Jafrabad, where a woman complained that someone had cast a vote in her name. Upon investigation, police found that a tenant with a similar name had mistakenly voted under her identity. Meanwhile, in Kasturba Nagar, two individuals were apprehended for attempting fraudulent voting. The election saw a heated blame game between Aam Aadmi Party and BJP, with both parties accusing each other of electoral misconduct. Security was heightened in sensitive areas, with additional police and paramilitary forces deployed to prevent any untoward incidents. Delhi's chief electoral officer also confirmed that a few EVMs were replaced due to technical glitches, ensuring smooth conduct of the polling process. With the counting of votes set for February 8, the city awaits the final verdict on whether Aam Aadmi Party will retain power for a third consecutive term or if BJP will return to governance in the capital after 27 years.